Okay, so we have this question. Now look at this part. So if you'll observe this question is super annoying. Correct? Now it looks ugly. So look at this how we will handle. So the first property we will use is, suppose that we have base as a and the power of a is log. Okay. Now I have to make sure that the base of the log is also same. So look at this base, look at this base. Both has to be the same. Okay. So if these two things are same, you can directly write b. Okay. And if it is not same, then you can interchange these two things. Suppose that if we have a log b base c, so you can write this thing as b power log a base c. If you'll interchange these two things over here, you will understand that it will become b power log a base a. Okay, so log a base a is 1. We will use this property in this question. Now, look at the idea. We have we have e as the base. We have the base of the log as also e, but we have problem with this 3. So how we will get rid of this 3? So look at this property. When we have studied log, we have anything is in the power of argument of log, you can take that component to the coefficient. Okay, so first we will use that property. So we will transfer that 3. So can I write e power log e 2x power 3 plus 5 5 times e log 2x power 2 base e, and then we have e log x power 4 base e plus 5 e log x power 3 base e minus 7 e log x square base e dx. Okay, now look at this. The base is same. So directly can we write the argument? So we will have 2x cube. Okay, then we will have in the argument. Okay, both things together. Now we have plus 5 times 2x power 2, and the base will be x power 4 plus 5x cube, and then minus 7x square. Okay, now look at this. Now if you'll observe, the denominator is bigger than the numerator. So how we will handle? Just simplify things first. So what I will do, I will take something common. So we have, can I write 8x cube plus 20x square, and the denominator is same, x power 4 5x cube minus 7x square dx. Now I will take something common from the numerator and something common from the denominator. So can I take 4x square common? Then we will have 2x, and then we will have 5 from the numerator. And if I'll take x square common from the denominator, we will have x square plus 5x minus 7 dx. Now this x square will vanish. Now look at this part. This time we got, look at this, 2x, we have 4 outside waiting, 5 upon x square plus 5x minus 7. Now, you know that you guys have handled these kind of questions before as well, where the numerator was having greater power as compared to the denominator. But look at this. This time numerator is having lower power than denominator. So how you should respond? You have to write the denominator, like numerator, as the differentiation of denominator. Okay. So how will you write? You will write numerator as the differentiation of denominator. Means I'll help you in this case. So wait, I'll use different color. Suppose that we have 2x plus 5. So how will you write? A times differentiation of denominator. Okay. Differentiation of denominator plus b. So you have to find out a plus b, a and b. Now look at this. How I will respond? This is a. What is the differentiation of denominator? So denominator is this component. So we will be writing 2x plus 5 plus b. Now look at the component. So let's multiply everything. So you will have 2ax plus 5a plus b, and you have this side as 2x plus 5. Now you have to compare what is the coefficient of x from left hand side and what is the coefficient of x from the right hand side. So it is 2 compared with 2a. So the value of a is 1. Okay. Now compare the constant. So compare constant of right hand side with left hand side. So we got 5a plus b equals to 5. You know that the value of a is 1. So you will get 5 cancelled. The value of b is 0. Okay. Now can I write the same question as, means you know that I can write 2x plus 5 as that combination. So look at this part. So I will be writing 4 times integration of a was what? 1. So I will be writing 1 time this. Okay, because this thing and this thing are same. So a is 1, 2x plus 5, which is same as previous part. B is 0, and then we have the denominator x square plus 5x minus 7 dx. You know that you need not to worry about the 0. Now you can also say that, sir, we have same thing in the numerator na, so why you are doing that much of, why you are wasting that much of energy? But the idea is, right now you get this kind of situation, but what if you will have some different scenario? Okay, so in that case you will get trapped. Okay, so if the denominator is quadratic, you have to respond this way, otherwise you will create some other situations. Okay, now look at this. What I'm trying to say, now you can take directly this function as z, and look at this, what will happen. So suppose that you have taken z as x square plus 5x minus 7. So we will differentiate both sides with respect to x. So dz by dx will have 2x plus 5. Now look at this. Can I write dz as 2x plus 5 dx? Now look at this, what is this thing? So that's why we have converted numerator as the differentiation of denominator. Okay. So can I write down this question as 4 times dz by z? Now you know that you have to integrate now 1 by z. So integration of 1 by z is what? Log z. and then you have to put integration constant, but later you have to replace this z. So who was your z? The z was x square plus 5x minus 7 plus c. This was your z. Okay, I hope the idea is clear. And now if you will get the numerator power having 0 means lesser value than the denominator, you will solve that question this way. Okay.